There is a force surrounding you right now, quiet, ancient, and invisible. It stretches from pole to pole, wrapping our planet in an unseen web of energy. You can't touch it, you can't smell it, yet every living creature depends on it. For millions of years, animals have carried inside them a sense we barely understand, a hidden compass tuned to Earth's magnetic heartbeat. While humans built metal needles to find north, life itself evolved something far greater, a biological sixth sense that feels the planet. Imagine a robin leaving Scandinavia on wings that remember the way. Night after night, through cloud and darkness, it flies straight south. No maps, no landmarks, no hesitation. Now picture a sea turtle hatching on a moonlit beach. It scrambles toward the surf, disappears into endless blue, and 30 years later, finds its way back to that exact same shore. These are not miracles. They are messages, signals whispered through the Earth's magnetic field, the planet itself guiding its travelers home. Scientists once thought migration was just instinct and luck, but experiments in the 1970s changed everything. When researchers surrounded European robins with artificial magnetic coils, the bird's inner compass spun out of control. They weren't following stars, they were following the planet. Deep in the robin's eyes lies the secret, cryptochrome, a light-sensitive molecule that reacts to magnetism. When blue light hits it, tiny electrons begin to spin, creating a faint visual pattern that tells the bird which way is north. To a robin, the magnetic field might appear as a dim blue glow overlaying the world, a cosmic head-up display painted across the sky. It doesn't think about direction, it sees it. This ability, called quantum magnetoreception, blurs the line between biology and physics. It means an animal's eye may depend on quantum reactions happening in real time, the universe's smallest particles guiding life's largest journeys. And that idea changes everything, because magnetoreception isn't limited to birds. Bees, butterflies, salmon, and even dogs seem to feel the field too. When your dog circles before lying down, some scientists believe it may be aligning north-south without knowing why. A leftover instinct from ancestors who migrated with the magnetic wind. When a turtle is born, that signature imprints in its brain. Decades later, it feels a subtle tug, a familiar rhythm calling it back, as if the ocean itself were whispering, "You belong here." Far from land, beneath endless waves, sea turtles navigate like ancient mariners. Every region of the ocean carries its own magnetic fingerprint, a unique combination of field strength and angle. When scientists tracked loggerhead turtles with satellite tags, they found their routes matched invisible magnetic contours with astonishing precision. Even when storms erased scent trails and currents drifted them off course, the turtles corrected themselves, not by sight or smell, but by feeling the planet's invisible lines. It's as though Earth leaves fingerprints everywhere, and animals know how to read them. Long before birds or turtles existed, microbes already followed magnetic trails. In the mud of ancient seas, bacteria carried tiny iron crystals called magnetosomes. Each crystal aligned perfectly with Earth's magnetic field, turning the cell into a microscopic compass needle. When we look at those microbes today, we're staring at evolution's first navigation device. Nature didn't just adapt to the magnetic field, it built with it. From those first magnetotactic bacteria, the blueprint spread upward through the tree of life. Fish, whales, insects, even mammals inherited variations of that inner compass. Across billions of years, Earth taught life how to listen. For centuries, we believed we had lost that ability. Yet recent experiments suggest the story isn't over. At Caltech, volunteers sat inside a silent, dark chamber. Around them, the magnetic field slowly rotated, imperceptible, unnoticeable. But their brainwaves told another story. EEG readings showed alpha wave drops every time the field shifted direction. Their minds had felt the change. Somewhere in our neurons, the same sensitivity might still be alive. A quiet remnant of the compass we once carried. We can't see magnetic lines anymore, but our brains might still hum faintly when they pass through us. Maybe we've just forgotten how to pay attention. When you step outside and feel the breeze, When a bird arcs overhead or a whale calls through miles of water, you are surrounded by choreography. The magnetic field isn't static. It pulses, breathes, and dances with solar winds. Auroras ripple at the poles when charged particles strike the shield. Migrating animals adjust their paths in unison, a living orchestra following an unseen conductor. Every compass we've ever made is only a crude imitation of this ancient harmony. Because magnetoreception isn't just a sense, it's a relationship, a conversation between life and planet that never stopped. Stand still for a moment. Close your eyes. Somewhere beneath the hum of electricity and city noise, the earth is speaking, a low, steady rhythm older than time. The robin hears it in the sky, the turtle feels it in the waves, and somewhere, deep within your cells, you might feel it too. The planet's magnetic field doesn't just guide migration. It reminds us that every heartbeat on Earth beats to the same invisible drum,